How to import and apply LUTs in KineMaster. First of all, open the KineMaster app and start a new project or open an existing one where you want to apply LUTs. Import the video clip you want to color grade by tapping the media button and selecting your footage. Next, tap on the video layer to open the editing options. Scroll down and select the adjustments or color filter option. Currently, KineMaster doesn't support importing or applying custom LUTs directly within the app, but you can use KineMaster's built-in color filters and adjustment tools to create LUT-like effects. Simply open the color filter option and choose from a variety of presets. You can adjust the intensity of the filter and use the manual adjustment settings to fine-tune brightness, contrast, saturation, and hue for more customized looks. This way, while you cannot import LUTs directly, you can still enhance your videos with professional color grading effects inside KineMaster. Now you know how to import and apply LUTs in KineMaster. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.